Hello again. Got a package through the door today. It was off a guy called Roy Sammons. I'm sure you all know who he is. He's a fellow member of the Locksport community. He's got a YouTube channel, which I'll put a link to on the bottom. He's always sending people bits and pieces, and he sent me this 5 Lever Mortice Lock. He says he's had a go at picking it a couple of times and he couldn't open it. And would I like to try? Well, I've been playing about with it, and I've managed to get it open. So what I'm going to do now is try to do it while the camera's rolling. So let's see if we can get it open. It's not easy to pick this one. The false gates are so easy. You fall into the false gates before you even know it. You've only got to touch the lever a little bit and you bang into a false gate. So it's a gentle process, this one, tickling it up. You can't be heavy on your tension because you will go into a false gate. If I can get it open, I'll open it up and show you what the levers look like. But like I say, I might not get it open because I've been playing about with it for a while. And I've only opened it once. But once you open it once, you think you're going to do it again, don't you? So that's why I've put the camera on straight away. Let's get it open. Let's get it on video. If I can get a better grip. Yeah, this is more tricky than that Chub Cruiser I picked the other day. And I thought that was tricky. I've got my wire caught. Start again. That's because I've gone right to the back and it's caught underneath a lever. Nice little bit of movement then, and it won a false gate. You can tell when it's a false gate. You watch, you'll see the bolt, it goes in quite a bit. It's almost, you almost think you've got an open. It sort of slides down quite a lot. And you get all excited, and then then it stops and you think, sugar, it's a false gate. Like so. I don't know if you've seen that then. It slipped into one then. Let's try again. Like I say, I knew I wasn't going to get it open easy. But if I don't put the camera on there, while it's fresh in my mind, I probably won't open it again. So gone a bit quiet because my concentration's going a bit high now. I've not gone into the false gate again, so we can do this. We have the technology. No, I thought I'd gone into one then. I'm all right. I'm still okay. See, you might have all this fancy stuff tool-wise, but there you go. You can pick them open without fancy tools. That's it. So there you go, Roy. I managed to do it. Thanks for sending that, mate. Really appreciated. I'm not going to do it now, but he also sent me these lovely little cabinet locks, which They've got 4 levers in. Quite nice, actually, because you can see the levers. I don't know if you can get a shot of that. You can actually see the levers when you're picking it. So he sent me 2 of them, which they're a fun little pick, which I've opened earlier. And he sent me that, which I've not had a go at yet. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And again, subscribe to Roy's channel. He's a good chap. And, yeah, that's it for now. So, see you next time. Try it a bit.